Dear countrymen, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Walaikum Salam. I am once again appearing before you in continuation to the previous messages on behalf of the People's Voice Society, where we have talked about to make India a cohesive society, a mindset change is necessary to promote marriages between different castes and religions. In our very well-considered view that to make the future of India a cohesive mixed society where everybody knows about every religion and can profess any religion as per his or her own choice, even we are going to the extent of thinking that one can on one Sunday go to a church and another Sunday go to a mosque, or use the Friday for going to a mosque, etc. So now when we talk of mindset change, it is very difficult to find out how the mindset change or the process of change in the mindset will start, because mindset is not going to change in a minute or in a day or in a year. It is a process of evolution. It is going to take its own time. So, but we must begin, and how to begin that? So one of the ways that our society has thought about is that human being is a social animal. All of us have friends and relatives. We have our own social circle with whom we like to sit, meet, talk, eat together and have, entertainment, common entertainments. Now if every person or every family or every set of persons or you try to include in your friendship circle members or families from the other communities and try to develop over a period of time relationships with them, go deeper into relationships as you like to have with very close friends. So once you start developing close relationships and try to understand the nuances of the culture of the other family or the other person, then there will be a chance of coming closer to each other. Then eventually try to convert into relationships by intermarriages. Once you know a family well, then giving your daughter or marrying your son in a different community, you will feel much easier and convenient, and it will become enjoyable also, because the outlook of every family will change, will expand. If you remain in a close circle and if you do not move out of your own circle, then your thought processes also remain within that confined to that small circle. Once you interact with the people from different communities, your mind expands and you start accepting diversity. So People's Voice has a very strong feeling after discussing at various levels within our society that the only way of changing India and making a new fabric of social integrity is by the way of intercaste and interreligious marriages. And the mindset change will take place first to start creating friendships across into the other communities. Every person should make sure that he has friends from all the communities of India and all the regions of India. Then you will see that how over a period of time the things will start evolving. My dear countrymen, last 75 years have passed by without much change in our system of dealing between different sections of Indian society. Now the future generations need a change. Rather, they are yearning for a change. It is the older generation which is standing in their way, which is not changing so easily. So my appeal specially goes to those who are in advanced ages, those who are parents, those who are children are of marriageable age. They should start changing their mindset. Youngsters, in my opinion, have already started the journey on the road that People's Voice Society is professing. So my dear countrymen, please think deeply about it. If you have any other doubts, if you have any other questions, you can always get in touch with us. We are available on various social platforms, and our website is also open where all the contact details are given. Our website is www.thepeoplesvoice.in. So you are always welcome to send your suggestions, and for the time being, this is enough. Namaste, Namaskaram, Walaikum Salam, Goodbye, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.